Hey, scrapbooking friends, welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. Do you wish Creative Memories had an album kit that you could just have everything in one box, get an album done without having to stress over all of the decision making? Well, we finally do. So this is the box, and it's really cute, sturdy box. This is the Natural Beginnings kit, but we also have On the Bright Side, and we have a travel theme. So it comes with an album kit guidebook, and the guidebook shows you kind of what's in your box and how to put everything together. Everything's numbered, and then it shows you each layout and how to put your whole entire album together. Next, you have a set of border stickers, and every border sticker is numbered. So you'll know that these will go on page layout 1, these will go on layout 3, these will go on layout 7, etc. You have enough to do 16 double page spreads plus the title page and your end page. You will get a repositionable tape runner adhesive, and you probably want to ask your advisor for an extra refill. You also get the embellishments pack. They're 80 die cuts, acid-free, lignin-free, and the best thing is every single one of them will have a number on the back, so you'll know exactly which page spread to put them on. So you can see how you can cluster these together just following the guide on the back. Next, you'll get 48 sheets of paper. This is enough to do your whole entire album, and it is labeled again. This is the title page base paper. So this will save for the title page. This one, if we turn it over, it says layout 1 left. This is layout 1 right. And then these are the cut apart sheets for this layout. So all I need to do is just grab my scissors, cut these, and I'll have all the components to decorate my album page. You can also use a 12-inch trimmer if you'd like to do that, the cuts with a 12-inch trimmer. And then you also get an album to put everything in. And the album is beautiful. You have 3 different choices of album covers with these kits. They also are pre-loaded with top-loading single pocket pages. Now that one was called Natural Beginnings, which I think would be beautiful for a wedding album or a baby album or just an everyday family album. This one, let me show you the On the Bright Side. From the On the Bright Side album kit, you can choose a bright blue album, a bright pink album, or another beautiful plain green cover. So this is what the finished pages look like in this album kit. And I am just ready to add my photos after I put these pieces together. Now, if I want to change the order of the pages, I absolutely can do that because they're all slide in and I can just move them around. Here's an example of what it looks like with your photos on it. Just very cute and bright. Now let me show you how easy it is to actually put the pages together. So I've got my guidebook that shows me kind of how to lay out layout number 10. I have the stickers for layout number 10. I have the embellishments for layout number 10. And I have the 3 pieces of paper for layout number 10. And it will tell me that this goes on the left side, this goes on the right side. So I have my base pages already. The next thing that you'll want to do is cut your cut apart paper and make sure that it's layout 10 to match with this. So like I said, you can use scissors to cut them apart, or you can use a 12-inch trimmer. this. Just cut them right on the line, super easy. Use the repositionable tape that it came with. And then I just follow the guide. It's like, okay, piece number 1 and 2 need to go across the top. So we just add a little bit of adhesive. You don't want to use adhesive on the whole entire strip. It's not necessary because it's going to go inside of a pocket page that will kind of hold everything together. Got piece 1 and piece 2. Now I need piece 3 and 4. Those are going to go on the bottom of the spread. So you have the fun of scrapbooking, but you have the speed of not having to make a bunch of decisions. And now these 2 pieces are just going to go here and here. Super easy. Again, just a little bit of adhesive in each corner. And it shows it flush to the page. And this one. And now we can do the embellishments. What I like to do with the embellishments is lay them out and put the adhesive on all at once. Now I get 10A, 10B, and just place it like that, and 10C, and 10D, and 10E. Next, I'm going to add my stickers. And sometimes you need to add the stickers before you add the paper. So just look on the layout and see if the sticker is going to be underneath something, like underneath a mat. You'll want to do the sticker first. This one is on top of the blue paper, so I don't need to do it first. I can go ahead and do it last. Now all you do is add your photos. Just pretend that these are photos. I'll show you kind of how you would lay those out. And then you can do a couple photos here. You could even do smaller photos if you wanted, like a 3x3. You could do a bunch of 3x3s. You just choose where you want your photos because you have a lot of room here and also some room for journaling. So that's it. It's super easy. You can slide them right into the album page now once you get your photos printed, and it's just going to be a beautiful album.